Star. Can you sing us a song? Can you sing Twinkle Twinkle? Can you sing Twinkle Twinkle? Good job. Can you play a game? Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Good job. What do you say when you leave?
Bye.
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 Good job, Star.
Welcome to Kaylee and Kaycee's universe. Have fun!
Now let's be JoJo. Hello. Hello, JoJo. Nico and JoJo. Hello.
Hi, Star. Can you sing us a song? Can you sing Twinkle Twinkle? Can you sing Twinkle Twinkle? Good job. Can you play a game? Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Good job. What do you say when you leave?
Bye.
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 Good job, Star. Star is 16 years old right now, but this species can live up to 50 years. They live a long, long time.
Hello, Star. Hey, Star, can you say twinkle, twinkle? Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Bye, Star. That one. Bye. That one just said hi. Star can sing Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. Oh my! It's doing that. How strong? Snoopy. Or yes. A very nice beat. Are they remembering the stairs? Oh, I pooped! Guys, over here is a turtle. I think it's a jumping turtle. And there's a knife. And the baby jumping turtle really hard. Oh my god, there's so much shells. Aww. Put your hand out. The snapping turtle will snap you. And there's another bird looking at me right now. It's here. There's another snapping turtle down there. You see where the red light is? And there's a bird up there. So maybe the turtle. Cutie bird. I'm the only this over here. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. And then that baby. What baby? Where? Let me help. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. No, shake it, touch it. This way. This is for small bird, and I think they're gonna be cute. So come on, and we're gonna maybe see some other animals. Ooh, that is noisy. You see that? Oh, look at that cute bird. The bird behind the rock. Can I see? Okay. Oh, look at this. Water. Bird right there. Aww. guys, you can put my face in the camera. Oh my, look at this, guys. Put your head in the over here, guys. I found another one. Kaycee's just sticking her head in it. It was there a while ago, I think. It's still there. Oh, there it is. There it is. Oh, it's in the tree house. Can I see that? Wow, there's so much tiny. Oh, there's one black one right there. There's a black. There's some cute little baby frogs over here. Or maybe they're not babies. I think they're grown-ups, but they're just size small. They're frogs. That one just jumped. Cool, let's see what else we can find. Whoa, come here, guys. It's way over. What's here? Oh, this is an owl. Look there. It's a sleeping owl. Very sleeping owl. Goodbye. Aw, it's a cute owl.
They eat moss and small bats. Our season video almost guys ground.
Here is a Mexican red meat tarantula. It's right there on the ground. It's our first time seeing a tarantula, Kaycee.
It's like a spider?
Yeah, but it's a tarantula. It's our first tarantula. Don't bang on it. It hurts its ears. Like a fish.
These means that puff up.
Aw, isn't it so adorable? Guys, over here is and these are their tails. They fall off when it's scared or when it's old. And this one right here, it's looking at me. It's like a real dragon. I didn't even see his tail. Cool. So that's what it is. That one. Guys, look at this. This is all the birds that are living here. This is a noisy place for birds. Look at the beautiful sight of all lots of birds. Oh look, there's one right there. Whoa, hey look, oh my. I think that one's gonna poop. He's gonna poop. Look at those rare ones. Parrot for pirates. They repeat what you say. Oh, and guys, look at that. Fishies. Oh, they put coins in here. Fishies. They made wishes here. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe down below for more videos. Bye. And see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more videos.
And also like and share. Follow us on Facebook and